Hello guys, under this video I'm gonna tell you how you can install VirtualBox on Windows 10 machine. For that, you just click on open up the browser. I am using Firefox. Under Firefox or under any of your browser, just type google.com, and here you can just type VirtualBox in the search box, and the first link come up, virtualbox.org. You need to select that. Just click on it. Once you click on that, on the left hand side you will see a download options, and here you can see a version 5.2 build, which is basically for 32-bit systems. As I am using Windows 64-bit and using Windows host, I just gonna click on this option. Gonna give me option to save file, and I just click on the save file. As I'm using a Firefox, this is the way. If you're using Google Chrome, might be you will get a different option. Once the file is downloaded, we gonna just open that file. I'm gonna show you right now. Here we go. The file is downloaded and I just click on it, and if you can see, it's loading up. Here we go. Now if you can check the basic screen, the first screen come up on our computer screen, just click on next. Here you can see that there is a browse option if you want to install it in a different location. As I want to install in my different location, so I am giving the path for it. Just click on OK, and here you can just click on the next option. And the next option you will get whether you want to create a shortcut on your computer or not, and other settings. Just click on next, go with the basic settings. Once you click on the yes button, click on the install button, and it's gonna install the whole VirtualBox, and copying and installing all the files on your computer which require to run this VirtualBox on your computer. Here we go. So we finally installed that software on our computer, and if you can see that there is an option for finish, and there is a checkbox to after installation if you want to run or not. We just click on the finish button. You will see a window pop up that is your VirtualBox manager, and here you can install any of your operating system for testing purpose or other purposes. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe my channel for other videos as well. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.